In this video, we show you a technique for keeping your extension cords from tangling by tying a series of slip knots. With an untangled cord, plug the ends together. At the end with the plugs, tie a simple loose knot. Reach through the knot in the direction of the rest of the cord. Pull the cord through the knot to create another loop. Repeat this process for the length of the cord. When you reach the end, pull it through the last loop. You can then store the cord by hanging it from this loop. If your cord is over 25 feet, then be sure to double the cord over a second time before tying. When you are ready to use the cord, simply undo the last loop and the cord will shake free, completely untangled. If tying knots is not for you, then pick up an extension cord reel from your local hardware store. These are inexpensive, easy to use, and will keep your cords organized and easily portable.